everybody. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. This is Mr. Dieu Uwingabiye welcoming you at Liberty Speaking YouTube channel. As you have been experiencing, we're here to teach you different languages. Today we are going to teach you English language, especially verb tense. The next tense is past perfect. In other words, simple past perfect tense. We are going to look at the use, the form, and some examples. Besides, I'll teach you how to talk with your friends using past perfect in your conversation, in your daily life. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started.
Past perfect tense examples. The past perfect tense is used to show that something happened before another action in the past. It can also be used to show that something happened before a specific time in the past. As you can see here, there are two clocks. When you look at the clocks, there is a difference between the hours actions took place. Look at the first clock. On the first clock, you can see that it was 10 o'clock. But on the second clock, you can see that it is 12 or 4 to 12. So now, something happened before 12. If something happened before 12, you use past perfect tense. Then you use the past simple or verb to have, had, plus past participle. Now, let's go on and look at how to form the past perfect tense. To form the past perfect tense, you use the past tense of the verb to have, which is had, and add it to the past participle of the main verb. For example, subject plus had plus past participle equals past perfect tense. Let us look at some examples of the past perfect tense, which can be seen in the following sentences. Had met. She had met him before the party. Had left. The plane had left by the time I got to the airport. Had written. I had written the email before he apologized. Had wanted. Kate had wanted to see the movie, but she did not have money for the ticket. According to these examples, you can see that one action had taken place before another. So, to show that something took an action or occurred before another action, we have some prepositions or adverbs of times that we use. For example, before, by the time. You can see, I can show you, before, by the time. So, all these examples of the prepositions that we are given are very clear that one action happened before another. Now, let us look at the use of past perfect tense. There are several situations where the past perfect tense can be used. It is appropriately used in the following ways. To show that an action happened before something else in the past. Examples. She stayed up all night because she had received bad news. They lost many of the games because they had not practiced enough. Anthony had met Ryan before you introduced him to us at the party. You had studied Italian before you moved to Rome. To show that an action happened before a specific time in the past. She had established her company before 2008. He had never played football until last week. They had gotten engaged before last year. I had fallen asleep before 8 o'clock. keep in mind that past perfect tense makes it clear that one thing happened before another in the past. The order of events does not matter since the tense makes it clear which event happened first. So here I want to emphasize that there are two different actions. One action took place before another action. I said, one action took place before another action. So, that action that took place before another action should be expressed by using past perfect. So, these past perfects, these tense are different. One is past perfect, another one is simple past. So, past perfect is longer, which means it took place before simple past. Another use of past perfect tense includes reported speech. Examples of this use include, before I tell you what it includes, let me tell you that in reported speech, you are telling people what other people did. That means you are narrating, you are telling a story of what happened. So when you say what happened, for example, in the past, when you are telling people what other people said or what other people did, you use past perfect. That means simple past becomes past perfect when you are telling somebody what another person said or did. That is what we call reported speech. Let us see what includes. The teacher asked if we had studied for the exam. The usher asked if we had purchased our tickets. My neighbor asked if we had seen her dog. The boss had said it would be a long meeting. Past perfect tense can also be used to show dissatisfaction with the past. Examples of this tense include, we wished we had purchased the winning ticket. I wished I had told the truth. She wished she had seen her friend. The boy wished he had asked another question. All the examples show that one action took place before another action. Now, let us proceed. Past perfect tense can also be used with the word just. When combined, this makes it clear that the event was only a short time prior. I repeat, it makes it clear that the event was only a short time prior. Some examples of this include, she had just left the scene when the ambulance arrived. He had just put the dog on the leash when we got there. The bus had just left when we got to the bus stop. Let me repeat that sentence. The bus had just left when we got to the stop. I had just gone outside when it started to rain. Note. Let us note that the past participle of to go is gone and not went. There are people who make such mistakes by confusing went with gone. To be honest, gone is the real past participle of verb to go, not went. So that is used to form the past perfect form as well. This is the end of the explanation of how to use past perfect and by giving some examples. Let us proceed with some conversations or some dialogues. Thanks. Keep watching.
Hello, Kuna. Where had you gone?
Hello, I'd gone to Shimla. Had you never seen Shimla before?
No, I had not seen Shimla before. I had come to your house, but you had already left.
The train had already started when we reached the station.
Had you reached his house before he died?
He had already died before we reached there.
Why had you not reached home before the sunset?
Because I have not finished my job. Had you finished your lunch before your wife came? I had finished my lunch before she came.
The sun had risen before we got up today.
I had already gone for a walk before the sun rose.
The thief had run away before the police came.
Had the police not left the station before you reached?
I had applied for a job.
Had you not told me this earlier also?
You had never insulted me like this before.
Why had you left your house before I came?
I had not promised you anything.
I had not finished my work too before one started. Had you not met Sultan before? I had met her once in the library. Had you not heard about this program earlier? No, I had not heard about it earlier.
Had you not ever tried that method?
I had once tried that method.
Had you not booked the tickets in advance?
I had booked the tickets just 1 week before.
Had you not sent the report in time?
I had sent the report to time.
Had you not driven a car before?
Had you not withdrawn the money from your account?
No, I had not withdrawn the money from my account.
I had withdrawn the money.
Had you not worn my raincoat when it rained?
I had just worn my raincoat when it rained.
Had they not held the meeting before also?
They had held a meeting last session also.
Had she not taken the package?
She had taken the package.
Had he not quit his job last year?
He had quit his job last year.
Had you not hurt yourself?
I had hurt myself badly.
Had you painted a self-portrait?
My brother had painted a self-portrait.
Had you not drawn anything?
I had drawn a landscape.
Dear viewers, thanks for watching us teaching you from Liberty Speaking YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the lesson and that was your first time watching us, don't forget to tap the button subscribe to get notified for the next lessons. Bye bye for now. See you next time.